Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, and it's an A Day. Achieve 3,000 winners. Congratulations, Nathan V, Riley S, Karsten Z, and Marisol D. So we talked last Tuesday about what is our plan for continuing to do school. Well, we have a little bit of a new plan. As you know, the governor has let us know that school will not be held in session on campus for the remainder of our school year. That means that we will continue to do online learning with you. You'll get a lesson plan every morning, Monday through Friday, from your teachers. It also means that, as I said last week, we will develop a plan for you to get to school and get the things that you need from your locker, from your classroom, so that you can have the things you need for the summer. And we're also thinking about some summer online learning opportunities. So there will be opportunity for summer school, and it will be classes that are developed exactly for you and for summer school. In the meantime, again, spend time with the people you live with, stay connected to the people who care about you, including your teachers, and stay healthy. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Make it a terrific Tuesday, Savannah Oaks.